Hi Chad, welcome to another stream. How are y'all doing today? It is Monday, July 31st of 2023, the very last day of July for this year. Where the fuck did July go? Yeah, we're back for another stream. The plan for today's stream is to port the Discord bot from Oracle to AWS. Yeah, the whole Oracle free tier thing seemed too good to be true, and it turns out that it is too good to be true because it's no longer fucking. Yeah, that is that's how that goes, I guess. Let me replay a notification from Grandpa's iPad, who has resubbed at 34 months. Thank you for your continued support. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. And always a pleasure to have you stop by. And thank you for the resub. Let me say hi to everyone who's here, and then we'll jump into things. JJMC was first. Hello, hello. Marsha's also here, as is Preox. Hello, hello. Marsha says, just in my bike exercise, I'm feeling too bled to watch programming right now, so I'll just lurk. Hopefully be back with a working brain. Sounds good. Grandma's iPad is also here. Mindtooth is here. Welcome back. And we got D-Dels. Hello, hello. Good to see you again. I didn't plan this well, so I am hatching a batch of eggs. So if you see me looking down, I am clicking on eggs and making them hatch. But yeah, don't worry about that. Right. So I did want to look into ways to run this thing without provisioning infrastructure first and see if those are cheap or otherwise. But otherwise we'll fall back to just, fucking running a Discord bot. If I remember correctly, the way this works is there are some environment variables that get run here. Discord bot.main. Discord bot main. Yeah, there are two environment variables. There's a token and there's a config. So in theory, if we can find a container engine that will let me run continuously and is cheaper than AWS or than EC2, that would be way simpler than doing a bunch of provisioning. So I'm gonna try and see if we can find something like that first, and then we can go from there. My understanding is Fargate is the thing. But I also don't remember. Fargate is based on the CPU, memory, operating system, architecture, and storage resources. Per second. Okay, let's see if we do US East Virginia. Does not change the price. Ooh, or with spot. Okay, so this is these are annoying. This is in pennies per hour, or this much per hour. So what if we make this into let's see, this number times 24 hours a day times, let's say 31 days in a month. Okay, so do you allocate the vCPUs? Yeah, because this is pretty, I can run an EC2 instance way cheaper than this. But yeah. Stonkfish, hello, hello. Good to see you again. Pretty sure the token is 7 and the config is assert true false. That would make sense. Chad Dev is also here. How you doing? Good to see you again. This seems kind of expensive for what I want, and that would just be the CPU. That wouldn't even start to factor in memory. I don't really want to spend 30 bucks a month on this. I guess $10 is not as bad. We could probably give it very tiny CPU Oh, these are the configurations. Hmm. The memory is a lot cheaper. So what if we did 0.25 times this value? Oh, actually it'd be this plus 1 gig of memory would be our lowest. Okay. That's not terrible, but I also don't know how much memory it is. But this seems reasonable. A quarter of a CPU and 1 gig of memory. Even if it were 2 gigs of memory, that's like $5 a month. Okay, I think maybe we can do this. Duration is calculated from the time you start to download your container image until the task terminates, rounded up to the nearest second. Okay. Maybe we will try and use Fargate. Is this a terrible idea? I don't know. I think it's going to be simpler though, and simplicity may be worth it here. Oh, let's try ARM. I bet ARM's going to be cheaper. ARM spot. That's the same number. Why are these the same number? Wait, I thought ARM would be cheaper. Is it not? Oh, I gotta zoom out. Isn't Fargate for running tasks in a scheduled manner? I don't know. I thought it was just run a container. Am I wrong? Yeah, I was pretty sure it's just run container. Container Gober. Although what is... Oh, I know what ECS is. This is... What the fuck is ADS wavelength? What is local zones? ECS is all of these things, I think. I don't think ECS is a execution engine. I feel like this is just storage. Yeah. I'm pretty sure ECS is the overall thing. I don't think ECS is like actual execution. Hey, what's up, Boston Clutch? Hello, hello. At least that's my memory. ECS is Amazon's like umbrella for all of their container stuff. ECR is their container registry. And then you pick execution engine. So Fargate is one of the ECS execution engines. Yeah. What are you trying to talk to Oracle for? Oh, I have a chat bot for my Discord that we deployed on Oracle, and now it's free. It was free tier, but it is now impossible to get a free tier instance because they just don't have any capacity. Yeah, I'm pretty sure what we want is Fargate if we're gonna go this route. Um, uh, so we would have to worry about secrets. We have a lot of Oracle at work and it's a pain in the ass. Yeah. An ECS tasks on Fargate. The fuck? What does this mean? What is ECS task on EC2? Oh, you have to run their like weird agent thing. Oh! We got a shiny Pokemon. And we got the one that I'm looking for. Fucking finally. So hold on a sec. We're gonna catch a shiny Pokemon. I've been trying to get this kitty cat for like a fucking week now. So hopefully I don't mess it up. Hooray! We'll be able to turn off Pokemon stuff after this. There's actually something else that I want to automate. Oh, that was easy. That was easy. Yeah, let me just play my Nintendo Switch with the terminal real quick. Finally. Finally. Sweet. First try, yeah, what is first try with the ball, too? Alright. Okay, I'm gonna turn off my Switch, and then, we'll, get rid of the little overlay for now, because, it's done for now. There's other things that I want to automate, but need to write a bunch of code for them, so those are not gonna happen today. But I can check this guy off. Meow stick. Oh, you can't even see what I'm doing. Meow stick. I have both genders now. Rex says, finally, me who camped to spawn in a game once for 2 years to get a drop. Holy shit. That's insane. But yes, now I have Meowstic. These are the ones I'm currently aiming to get. I'm also I have my 3DS. I'm hatching this right now. These are the next two I'm gonna automate. This one's really hard to automate, but these are gonna be really hard to automate too, so it'll be fun. But we're not gonna do that today. Okay. It seems like, let's see, ADS, Fargate, Terraform. I kind of want to learn Fargate, so this will be fun anyway. Oh boy. I'm just gonna go from this and find Fargate from here. It's under ECS, not EBS. Not ECR, ECS. Provides an ECS service, a task that is expected to run until an error occurs or a user terminates it. Typically a web server or a database. That sounds like what I want. You need to make a cluster? This I'm out of my let's see. Terraform, Fargate. Terraform AWS Fargate tutorial. Yes. Phone was a 12-hour cycle plus or minus 3 hours. There's many other questing done. Oh, that makes sense. Easy Light, hello. How you doing? Welcome. Okay, blah blah blah. Go program, cool, whatever, Docker file, great, done with that, cool. Terraform configured, credentials. Yes, ECS service. Okay. Launch type equals Fargate. Okay, that actually sounds not terrible. Why am I moving the bot? What's wrong with Oracle? Their free tier doesn't have any capacity, so the bot just hasn't been running for weeks. And I'm finally getting around to moving it over. Is this notification? Swiftflint hangs. I don't know what you want me to do with this. I'm leaving better after years suffering a double ear infection? That sucks. That sounds like a big pain in the ass. Okay. Resource AWS. What was it? ECS service. We need name. I'm gonna typo this so many times between AWS and AWC. Okay, and then launch type Fargate. I've found PR open with GitLab. I thought you might appreciate it. Apparently GitLab can't support alternative URLs at the moment for on-prem installs. Because course got blocked. That's a fun one. That also doesn't surprise me at all. Alternative domains, yeah. Yeah, that makes sense. Quite a mess. Invalid pa. Oh boy. We need a task definition. Okay. Why is this a resource? This feels like it should be a data, not a not a we need a log group too. Oh boy. Today we watch AWC work and AWS deploy an ECS Fargate. Will you need any SQS setups or SMS links with SES email alert notifications? Stay tuned. Yeah. Yep. Acronym hell. Okay. Why is this in PowerShell? Okay, this seems not so bad. RX Hack, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I don't actually need any ports. Is the Docker image called this one? Okay. Leave that out. Cool. And so then this is probably AWS ECS task definition.auc videobots.org. Can you format stuff into here? Can I do like this? I feel like there's also a way to do JSON blobs in Terraform. But I also don't know. I'm curious about this. Ah, JSON encode. Yeah, that's what I want. And then we gotta equals, yeah. Oh fuck, how do I do the dashed ones? Huh. They just use the JSON thing here. Okay, so there isn't a nice schema for this. It's just good luck, have fun. Okay, well then we'll just go back to it being JSON. Darkseid says, thanks man, good to be here. Well, welcome, welcome. Okay, cool. Where did the tutorial go? Did I close the tab of the tutorial? I did. I closed the tab of the tutorial. And blah, blah, blah. We don't give a shit about all this. Test definition. Yep, we did that. We need a role. Stick in tutorial. I'll try this one trick. Close tab. Yeah. Okay. So we need a role. Do roles need names? Yeah, they do. Do they use dashes, I guess? They can have underscores. Okay, well, we're gonna underscore it then. We need... Cool. I almost got to use that the other day. I think what I actually said is I'm happy to help. First, start by not looking at the Stack Overflow answer. Yeah. This is a little weird. Haven't worked with this resource before. We're attaching a policy to a role. Yeah, every resource has the same name. Nothing wrong with that. The German AZ says, do you have thoughts on no-guild Python? I do. I have a video that is extremely early to the party. Oh, we need this. Which makes me kind of feel like... the role should be above everything else. I feel like there's a syntax error. It did not reformat anything. Good news is we're still making progress. The bad news is we're about to start talking about networking. Holy fucking shit. There's no way I need all this shit. There's absolutely no way I need all this shit. I'm gonna try and remove this and see what happens. I'm probably not logged in. What's the fucking thing for this? We're gonna log in and you're going to look at my face while I do that. Lemnian says, I networked with your mom last night. Yeah, how did that go? Terraform Cloud login. Username there. Work. Then I have to MFA. The reason I'm doing this is because I remember that Terraform IO shows your token in plain text, and I don't really want. There was an old one there. So a little concerning, but I think it's working now. I'm gonna see what the plan looks like, and then we'll try and apply it and go from there. We still haven't done any of the like secret stuff, but we need to do that still. Argument named execution role Arn is not expected here. Oh, we still have the sun stuff in there. But apparently this has changed. It is now called I am role. Perhaps. Yeah. Oh, this is kind of funny. We need to re-init the modules. Charisma, hello, welcome. Good to see you again. Are you a Terraform dev? I write Terraform sometimes. Z Pekka, hello, welcome. Okay, so that is something that we can do by, I think, deleting these two files, then running this, then replanning. The pesky Ruby folks? Well, the Ruby folks have it even worse. They don't even have threads. Battlestorm, hello, how you doing? Even broken threads. Okay, so now we should be able to plan. Ruby doesn't have threads? I'm pretty sure it does not. Or at least the last time I wrote Ruby, I remember being like, I would like to use threads, and Ruby was like, no, you must use processes. No threads for you. Okay. Doing some junk here. The thing that we're trying to replace. Big blob of user data. Yeah, that's the OCI stuff. And up here is the ECS stuff. Oh look, it wrote out the JSON encode for me. Well, I guess I can just steal this. I wasn't sure how these were gonna work. Purple Elf, thank you for the raid. Welcome, raiders. How you doing today? My viewers should check out Purple Elf. My name is Anthony. I usually work on open source Python software. Today we are doing a bunch of Terraform shenanigans. We are trying to replace our Oracle chatbot setup with AWS, and I am learning about Fargate and trying to configure that with Terraform. I don't really know what I'm doing, so I am, just making it happen. Raid message! That's a great raid message. I like it. Welcome to the stream. How are you doing? What were you working on? Rhinoceros Coding, welcome. And Cypher Enigma, thank you for the follow. Welcome. But how is your stream? Abbas Bobbas is also here. Good to see you again. Yeah, don't mind me just copy pasting this junk into here. Yep. Delete all this, remove all the pluses, and then we'll have the auto formatter make it look not like garbage. Make it not look like garbage. There we go. Just doing camera things, starting my work week and all. Was great. How are you? I'm doing well. I'm doing pretty well. Yeah, I think this week is gonna be a little bit rocky, because Flake got released. Oh, that reminds me, I was gonna do a thing. Quick distraction to do a small amount of Python thing. One that's been in the back of my head, but I just want to get it out of the way. Actually, we're gonna do 2 small Python things. Quick break from Terraform to do some Python things. I don't know why, but my internet connection to GitHub has been like really fucking slow recently. A solid 20 kilobytes per second right now, which is terrifying. There's no reason for it to be this slow, but yeah, sometimes this happens. Do. This is so slow. There's similar effort to remove and kill from Ruby back in the day. Not sure eventually happened. Rex is mine too. Yeah, it's kind of weird. I blame GitHub. Yeah, it's 100% GitHub's problem. All right, so I think the thing that I wanted to do is down here to do after Flake 861 introduce this in the matrix. Yes, so I can just get rid of this and then change this to 3.12 -tab. Oh, that reminds me, did the release candidate actually land today? Was it supposed to be today? But I don't know. It says beta 4. That must mean that there's some release blockers. Maybe? Oh my god. What? Damn, what a fucking mess. Sorry, that's unrelated here. Fun. Okay, anyway, there's probably some reason that the RC hasn't happened yet. I'm getting distracted. Talks 6.1. This talks pi 3.12. No problems with GitLab? Yeah, right? Definitely no problems at all, yeah. I learned that the GitHub Python Actions has a neat flag that lets you do 3.12 and it grabs the latest whatever. Yeah, that's what the little -dev does. Or you can do greater than or equal to. But I tend to prefer the oops, not 7. I tend to prefer the Dead Snakes action, which seems to do this similarly but better. Hey, what's up, Qualsy? It's been a while. Good to see you again. Run Flake8 in 3.12. Now that's been released. Sorry, I'm also playing a 3DS. I'm almost done. I just need to move some Pokemon out of What's happening today? We are moving the chatbot from Oracle to AWS. I'm learning about Fargate. What happened with Oracle? They just don't have any capacity. They just don't have any capacity. So it's unusable. Which is unfortunate, but that's the way things go. So this is one of the things that I want to do really quickly. The other one is fix the docs builds for bytecode style. Means I need to do some bullshit with read the docs. Probably need to set the minimum version or some shit. Just so annoying. It should default to latest. I don't know why it doesn't. It defaults to fucking some version of Python that doesn't exist anymore. Should just tell me. Oh my fucking god! Of course, it just takes me to the same thing. Version required. Okay. Formats optional. No default. Okay, so it'll always do HTML. Python. This is deprecated. Well, show me the shit that's not deprecated first. Holy fuck, this is complicated for some goddamn reason. I'm gonna just try this, see what happens, and go from there. Surely I don't need more complicated shit than that. Let's try it. Is there dead snakes action? Yep. Yep. It's dead snakes / action. Is it YAML or YAML? YAML. I don't think read the docs shows up in pull requests, annoyingly. I don't have Xcodes, so I can't really try that. Let's see. We see a little read the docs builder here? No. Builds. Akram, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Oh my god. This is a little powerful, but whatever. I can revoke it later. That was weird. Oh, this one's failing too. Great, love that for me. Wait, where's the other project? Wait, Ian said that. Also, this is false and is definitely working. So, what the fuck? Why is it not working? I wonder if Ian added the wrong person. Yeah, I don't have permissions here. Drugs. Fixter Jake! Hello, hello. Oh, you have turbo now. Ooh. I could try and push a tag, since I know it will build a tag. You've had turbo, my name is just purple now. That's what changed. Oh. That's what changed. I was like, I know something's different. Well, welcome back. Good to see you again. Scramble my brain there. I'm just gonna fucking merge this and see what happens. In server status, I just had to upload a photo of a certified copy for a visa application. Great. I'm gonna see if this works. I'm just gonna test on primary branch. Cry a little. Yeah, these don't even have a status for those, which is weird. I just have to refresh builds here. What's up, Sandra? Do I recommend Cookie Cutter? I don't personally. What a fucking weird ass combination of things to install here. Where does this come from? Pillow Mach 101. An extremely old alabaster theme. There's no way this version of Sphinx works with Python 3.11, right? Build completed. Yeah. That is the newest one. Okay. Range? 1185. Whilst Clutch is gonna go to dinner, sounds good. Thank you for stopping by. Sphinx is 7 now? Yeah, it's super new. Have you tried Make Docs material? I have not. I don't really care about docs. They're mostly a waste of my time. Oh, that also means I should probably do this for Flick 8. Wee Tommy, thank you for the resub with Prime at 6 months, which gets you a fancy new badge. Good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Let's copy that over to Flake8. Fancy, right? Right? You got a new button there. I like the fro theme, but if this old-ass version works, ship it. Yeah. There's no way this is gonna work for Flake8, though. I'm pretty sure Flake8 has, like, weird customization here. Because the comp file lives in a different directory, so we're probably gonna fuck around with stuff. But at least I can log in and fuck around with this one. So let's do that. Oh, we don't like the docs here, do we? Damn, we have docs for a hilarious number of versions here. Builds. Oh, it does build pull requests. Cool. Yeah, I don't know why. I don't know why. No module named Flake8. Yeah. Probably because it needs to do this. So now I gotta figure out how to specify requirements. Hold on, we're gonna close some tabs. We need that. We need that. Need you or you. Might need you, probably don't need you. One of these ones I need, this one. And that tutorial, we fixed this. This is the one that I want. Where's the requirements? Python install this. Don't know why the default will be Sphinx 2, right? Like, let's pick the oldest possible version ever. Lilba says, my name is Wee Tommy, I'm a wee lad. Oh no. Oh look! There's a fucking status here. Can't see. Wee Tommy says, hi William. Okay, it should have a new build now. And it failed again. Was that the old one? That's the old one. This is the new one. Failed in 0 minutes. No module named Flake8. Why? Do I need to install dot also? Method default pip. Path is also required false. So do I make just an empty dictionary? We will do this. It's probably the same. I wonder why the other one worked. Well, this doesn't have a requirement of text. It probably is fine to just yellow. News server says, if you plan any holidays for the summer, or just use some PTO and stay home. I'm actually going to San Francisco soon. But that's more for work than for anything else because so during COVID, the US adopted a employment verification policy where they could verify employment remotely by just showing your passport or whatever the fuck else you used. They have lifted this policy, so now you have to go in person to validate that you work somewhere. Well, I have to go to SF to things. Is this the same as the one we just did? Ninja 2, undefined style. Oh god. Theme error. Thinks RTD theme. Why does it install this fucking garbage up here? Why? Why does it install old ass mock too? That makes no sense. Probably we need a new version of whatever's going on here. In a posh voice says, wait a second, say about. Well, I'm not Canadian, so I don't say about. But yeah, I can't go to Canada to do it either. We're kind of using another person. Yeah, I could use a notary, but I figure I might as well just go to SF anyway, so. Read the docs is such a fucking jank ass thing. When was the last time I've been to SF? I think last August? About a year. Fix Jake says I didn't even need a notary or anything fancy, you just had to sign off and upload a copy. Oh, I needed a notary. How long has it been since you've been to an office? Will there be paparazzi? I went to the Toronto office in December. I don't get RTD, why not just use GitHub Pages? Yeah. Honestly. I don't think anyone cares about the old versions of the docs either. This is fucking insanity. Not what I wanted to work on. Surely this one will succeed. How did I get 160 here? But there's no 160. Did they do the fucking poetry bullshit? I bet they did the poetry bullshit. Wait, why is there a 1-7? Do the bullshit. Ah! I hate when people do this. I don't know who. There's no reason to put a less than in your Python requires. Weird. Yep, it's fucking poetry. It's fucking poetry bullshit. It's their fucking Python version. Fuck poetry. Fuck poetry. Fuck poetry. Alright, do we even use this thing? Hmm. Damn, we use it a lot. What does it actually do, though? It literally just puts this little thing here. Like me some requirements text if I'm feeling fancy, some pip tools. Yeah. Hey, what's up, Ethan? Hello, hello. How you doing? Mossborb says, as an outsider, what does this poetry mean in this context? Poetry is a packaging tool for Python that has some really fucking stupid opinions about things that causes everything to suck. Including, this library took the defaults of what poetry handed them and is not installable in Python 3.11 or 3.12. Simply because they use poetry. Yeah. Someone who works suggested we started using poetry in a tech debt sprint. I mean, you would be adding tech debt if you introduce poetry. That's true. That is that's exactly what would have happened. How you doing, Ethan? Good to see you again. Stupid opinions in Python? Yeah. Yeah. Um. Guess we'll settle for this and call it good enough. But, oops. But I would love to just kill Sphinx prompt entirely. Run Nostra's coding. Welcome to the stream. Hello, hello. Doing more AI bullshit. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Ratty Stardust. Oh, thank you for the subscription. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. That'll get you your first fancy badge. I'm glad you're enjoying the stream. And or me just raging at poetry. Cause that's really all we've accomplished so far. Oh my fucking god. Oh, this is the old build. Is it? Is it the old build? Did I click on the wrong one? Okay. Oh my god, it might actually be doing something now. Sphinx's documentation, who reads that shit anyway? Right? Just delete the whole docs. No one fucking reads this shit. Did I ban Bardazord? I did not. My VS Code variables are blue, my bugs are in red. Reading Java Talks makes you want to go to bed. Hey, there you go. Ethan says, question for you actually, would you consider using a tool that automatically generates changelog entries using language models? I have not found one that can properly understand code and properly understand changelog formats. Now, if it worked, I would, but I doubt that it would. Alright, we gotta test this project. Oh my god. What is in this project? Why is it multiple megabytes? What have I just cloned? Oh, they checked in the whole project, including all of the garbage that you're not supposed to check in, I think? So that's probably part of their problem. So we're doing this. Oh yeah, I don't have Swift. Oh my god, the build finally succeeded. Hooray! Mr. Singh! It is. Thank you for the resub of 21 months. It's good to see you again, and thank you for your continued support. I hope you're doing well, and I appreciate you stopping by. Alright, Swift. Sir Drutch, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Swift needs variable 5.7.3. This is 2204. Uh... 5.7.3 22.04. That was too fast. Yeah, I definitely did this wrong. Oh, slash swift dash Swift dash 5.7.3 dash release in all caps for some reason. Wait, no, I already had that. Oh. No? Alright. You're just doing it this way. Just gonna paste the actual command instead of trying to be clever. It seems to be doing something. I remember I tried Swift for Linux when it first came out and immediately segfaulted on me. It's gotten a lot better. It does actually work now. Oh god, which one did it output to? The longer one. Remember Swift this user bin. Predicament ho. uh, Wolfred, you changed your name. Oh, I was real confused. How you doing? Good to see you again. What are the 1010s? With my track record of errors not that surprising, yeah. Dylan says, why do you do everything with the keyboard, the copying with right click and pasting again with a shortcut? Because well, for one, I don't have a good way to highlight without the mouse. And if I'm already moving the mouse, then I might as well copy. I have also been burned by using Control-Shift-C when copying, and it doesn't actually copy anything. It probably works fine now, but there was a long time where I was using a VM that was very buggy with Control-Shift-C for some reason. So now this is easier now. Ah, Acorn, I see. That would be 20. Would it? No. 2, 4, 8, 16. It would be 18. Would it be 18? Isn't plastic like a natural found mineral in the world? No. Did you just assume the base? Yeah, what base would that be in? Takes forever, but that's the way things go. How's work today? Someone broke prod at the beginning of the day, and so then I just had to like fix prod, even though it's not my job. But I was there and I saw it, and so I was like, well, I will do the things that are needed to fix the prods. John V1, hello, hello, how you doing? Yeah, this is not an understatement for Swift, because Swift takes forever to fucking build. Is it even building though? What are you doing? What the fuck? Oh, it's cloning. It's cloning. And for some reason my connection to GitHub is like severely throttled. How dare you do something that isn't part of your day-to-day responsibilities? Yeah, I mean, I think I found an issue in Battery Suite. Try writing this. Yeah, that doesn't surprise me. Yeah, it's because I don't have a grammar for LaTeX. If you want to add a grammar for LaTeX, by all means, go for it. You can work around it though. Although I don't know why you would make text as a thing here, because that's just the default. But if you need to work around, there you go, and that'll crash it. But that's how it's pronounced? Yeah, it's French. It's French. It's not latex, it's latex. You want to be real French. Isn't your title like productivity improvement officer or something, man? Technically you could work on pre-commit work since it improves everyone's productivity. I wish. I still have to do actual things. Oh my fucking god. This is just taking forever for some reason. Do I control C it and try it again? Probably. I'm impatient. GitHub's been real shit. Oh. Okay, it's doing things, in theory. Oh, it's no longer Git cloning. Maybe it is just doing builds? That would be great. I didn't notice you at all. I said hi to you, Marsha. I noticed you're back. Maybe I didn't say it out loud. I am all over the place right now for some reason. Okay. That is done. We all want Anthon's attention. Doesn't want to give any today. I'm busy. Leetai says, I used my first French string the other week. Nice, nice. I actually mentioned French strings in my 41-minute video that's coming out on Wednesday. There's also 2 mistakes in the video, but I didn't feel like re-recording it, so you're getting the one-take 41-minute video. Yeah. Admittedly, one of the mistakes is just the feature is broken. So I'm demoing a cool new thing in Python 3.12 and the feature is just fucking broken. So you get my real-time reaction to it not working, which is great. The other one is I got clever with installing the nightly version of Python on my VM and then deleting the PPA, but I forgot to install one of the packages. So I improvised a little bit. But damn, okay, what is this doing now? This looks like it's actually running a builder. Is this chewing up my CPU? Yep. And my RAM. Yummy, yummy, yummy. It's not about French strings, but I do mention French strings in the middle of it. There is a big section about F strings. But yeah. Mistakes? I think you mean engagement traps? Yeah. I just need to make a bunch of mistakes that people comment about. It is true though. We get people to comment on a video. YouTube's like, well, better recommend this shit to everyone. Holy fuck, this is taking forever. I don't know what it's... Well, I do know what it's doing. It's doing terrible things, but... Anyway, I think we were looking at this plan earlier, and this plan looks probably fine. But, we'll see what it does. Wolver says, so for some reason a lot of my neighbors' cars have their trunks open. I don't know if they forgot to close them or somebody broke into them. Oh. Yeah, that sounds like a break-in. I'm surprised that Swift doesn't have a multi-process builder. But we'll let this continue to go. I think we're going to just send this and see what happens. Add Fargate form for A2C video bot. Not my car. Tommy says makes you look like the culprit. You stole this stuff. Oh wait, am I done with the RTD garbage? Oh, I need to make libsass Python work also. Damn. Okay, well, we'll keep this open then. You. Also, today is going to be a big auto update day because I upgrade Add Trailing Comma and Flagate all released. Wait, I don't even use read the docs for this. Why is it hooked up? Because we use like we use GitHub Pages for this. Right? Badge.fury, haven't seen that in a hot minute. I don't know how this works. Let's see. Sass this. Lead Rose, hello. How you doing? Oh yeah, this just uses read the or GitHub.io. So I don't know why it's hooked up to RTD. Okay, cool. I'm gonna ignore that. What else uses read the docs? I don't want the docs for read the docs. I want read the docs. This is just fake. Don't care. Don't care. Projects. I test. Someone else is surely dealing with that. No. VM update 4 years ago. Yeah. And this has never succeeded. Okay. Oh my god, it's still going. It's now consuming 3 gigs of RAM. I think if I downloaded a Swiftlet binary, then I can just use that instead and pretend. Take this one. Steve Bandito! Thank you for the resub at 37 months. Holy shit. Good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. And thank you for your continued support. Yeah, what am I gonna do here? Do I just let this thing continue to chug? I'll just control C it. Okay. So, if we do pre-commit run all files, verbose, we get Swiftlet taking 0.13 seconds. And if we Swiftlet dot, it takes longer. So I'm not reproducing what they're seeing. I deleted the derived data there since I don't think you meant to check that in. After that, I'm not seeing what you're seeing. Admittedly, I'm using Linux. Maybe that's the difference. Or perhaps your work has some sort of antivirus that's unhappy. That makes running processes more expensive. Either way, here's my timings. Wait, wait, what the fuck? Wait, hold on. I didn't see this. It's sync faulted. Uh. Source kitten framework fetal ear. What the fuck? Hold on, I didn't see that part. Do I have to add like LD library path something or another? Linux source kit libpath. Oh my god. libsource kit in proc.so. Do I have two new of Swift? Where's their fucking Docker file? Swift Jammy. Fuck me. SourceKit, an adorable little framework and command line tool for interacting with SourceKit. Oh my god. Wilfred's, I'm ready for football season. I'm ready for this to not be fucking broken. Right, what all do I need out of user lib? These things, apparently. I have user lib Swift, I just don't have this thing. Okay. So I should be able to... Podman CP8812 this to Swift this user lib. We have libsource kitten. New sentence right there. Okay, so then I need to do... Wait, what the fuck? Why did this not segfault, but this did? Oh my god, what is it doing? Oh. This needs to be outside of this directory. Okay, that seems to have worked now. Okay, and if we do pre-commit run all files, this is oh this the fucking issue. Core dumped. Then I've definitely. Okay, anyway. Done a reproduction. The drop song chat. We haven't heard this in quite a while. Okay. We're all over the place today. Oh, I can log out of read the docs. Why is it in a weird drop down? Used to be a button. Okay, so let's look at this plan and see if we're gonna apply this bad boy. Need to go to bed? Well, thank you for stopping by, Easy Light. Always good to see you. And I hope you have a good sleep. DDoS says, ready for Thursday. The high in KC on Wednesday is supposed to be 110? Oh no. Oh no. That's terrifying. Wait, why did it open this? This is not... That's the failed plan from forever ago. Okay, add a bunch of shit, and then the OCI stuff that's going to fail. Seems fine, let's apply it, see what happens. RIP Oracle, yeah, well we haven't deleted the Oracle code yet. But yeah, it's on its way out. It was good, but not good enough. Yeah. If they had capacity, it was great. I didn't even ask for a big machine. I asked for the little baby ones. But no, apparently, apparently not. I was gonna say, this is green already, but I'm pretty sure this is going to error. I don't know why this Terraform login doesn't give me the log. But it does for Brigament CI. Lalausen? Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. What's the story with Oracle? They had a free tier. I mean, they still have a free tier. But you can't actually get instances because they don't have any capacity. So it is useless. Yeah, see? Well, this is different. Farmgate only supports network mode, AWS VPC. Well, we'll set that up in a sec then. But yeah. This thing. Okay. So we'll fix that. No arms for you on Oracle, it's true. Yeah. Molten Knight says, after layoffs last week, my boss has now quit. I think it's time to jump off the bus. Or you just hang out and hopefully get some sweet severance eventually. Ooh, I maybe need that. We're gonna leave that there for a sec. Okay, so somewhere, which one failed? Task definition. This one. Oh. In fact. That's network mode to AWS VPC for Fargate. I'm pretty sure I set up a VPC for Brigament CI, so I could probably not use the crazy long thing that they had. Just use the shorter one. Oh, Small Knight, your 8th wall. Oh, welcome back. Good to see you again. Now I know who you are. How you doing? Masumi says, what do you write now? What don't I write now? Yeah, everyone in chat just yawned. Sorry. Yeah, I'm a bit sleepy. Stayed up a little late playing widget games. Yep, seems fine. I'm just gonna be honest and delete the Oracle stuff. Am I gonna open source this Terraform? Probably not. I don't know that this is actually all that useful. But let's merge this first. Is that the stuff you spent all the time reading the docs for too to properly understand it? Yep. Yeah, we spent like 3 streams in a row trying to make it work. And we finally got it working. And now it's gonna be deleted. How does this work? Does that work now? It used to not work. I remember some models being a real pain in the ass. Terraform can actually be nice sometimes. I'm a fan of Terraform. I know a lot of people are not, but works fine for me. And yeah, that's my public SSH key, so I don't care about anyone seeing it. We'll fail one more time at OCI. I can go close my Oracle account. Or I'll just leave it but empty and get the annoying emails. Unclear. Ansible source code is interesting. There's some crazy shit in there. I know a couple Red Hat devs that work on Ansible. I do too. I do too. I hung out with one of them at PyCon. They're a nice guy. But that does not make me want to use Ansible at all. Market requires task definition of execute role ARN to support log driver AWS logs. Well, what the fuck? I thought I had that and it told me to delete it. Is the plan? Yeah, okay. Alright, so... Okay, so I think that we don't want this. We want it in the task definition? Like here? Wilfred says I'm at the point now where if I see Python code with type annotations, I cringe a little. You mean without type annotations? Type annotations are great. Oh, without. Okay, I was gonna say. I was about to say. Oh, to destroy, and these will just fail again, and that's fine. We'll just skip this one. Do. Oh yeah. This plan's gonna be really noisy. Okay. Yeah. Let's try. Wait forever for it to end for some reason. Go. Nothing like a commit message with a question mark on the end of it. This is actually pretty nice. Oh no! Oh no! I think I finally squeezed a large enough hole in it that it doesn't... No. No. You're gonna have to buy another one. uh, God, it's so annoying being able to see what functions need to return. Removes the surprise and getting to find out. Yeah. Hey, it's a Bleat Rose. Hello, hello. The scrunching water bottle sound is no more. I mean, I can still do it, but it's pretty fucked. I'll just have to buy another one. You don't sound sad. You sound excited. I mean, it's something. My mom did get me this as a gift. Yeah. But I think we all knew that at some point it was going to die. So should I have a backup 0 downtime? Yeah, I need HA for my fidget toys. uh, yeah. What, you don't have multi-region fidget toys? What are you even doing? Fuck out of here with your single point of failure fidget toys. Alright, I don't think this is going to succeed, but we will try it anyway. Not running Chaos Monkey on your fidget toys, right? I mean, I've failed over to this other toy instead. That counts, right? Wow, look at all these deletes. Oh, the task definition got created. Yeah, now I've got the metal thing. I could go OG classical fidget spinner too. It's just not the same? Yeah. True. I guess we can watch this. Yes, right. Clusters. Wait. I thought we made a cluster, did we not? Is this the right Terraform account? Or is this the right AWS account? Cluster 0. Oh, we have a test definition. Network settings, networking turned on. I don't know what that means. Oh god, what the fuck is AWS Copilot? No. Status active. This means. I don't know what this means. Essential, yes. AWS Copilot isn't what I thought it was. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's like a pricing thing. Nope. Do I have to go to Fargate? It's definitely not EKS. No idea what's happening right now. Let's see if we have logs. It should be crashing. It shouldn't start up. Because we haven't given it secrets. Why? Why do I have pre-commit CI stuff in here? Okay, but we do have a log group in here. Oh, but it should get created anyway. I'm gonna delete these because those are from when we set up a pre-commit CI instance. No log streams. Okay, so it is definitely not doing anything there. So what the fuck is happening? Oh, hooray! Cluster not found. Oh. Yeah. True. Did I skip a step? Do you see the question Mel's gonna ask on our panel to Melkith? I did not. By Melkith, do you mean Melky? I have not had time to pay attention to things, unfortunately. Oh, I just forgot to do the cluster step. I suck at following tutorials. Okay. Cluster. I kind of want to underscore all these. Oh wait, this should have been alias log group dot where'd it go? alias CloudWatch log group AC video bot dot name. Oh, and then we need to use the cluster somewhere. The cluster is in the service. It's gonna actually move down to here. Cluster secs cluster.ac video bot.arn probably. No, .id. Of course. Why would it be consistent? An ECS cluster for gate execution. Where does Snash's blue now? I'm concerned. Yeah, there was some like I don't know, gift subs or something. Something happened. I don't know. The Milky dyed his mustache blue, which is it's something. It is certainly something. Okay, what are you? Oh, it's Up Dog Day! Hooray! Big ol' Flagate bump. Run out of memory. What the fuck? What the fuck is this? Uh, One's taking up the memory. Wasn't it Updog Day yesterday? No, today's Monday. It's always Monday. We should get another run. Two to destroy, four to create. I guess it's kind of correct because it's recreating these two. Okay, so this is probably gonna fail complaining about VPC. Two destroyed. Okay, cool. Cluster. Keyword. Network configuration must be provided when network mode VPC is specified. Damn. Okay. To prevent a race condition during service deletion, make sure to set depends on to the related item rule. Well, we'll just not delete, I guess. Those songs have the faint sound of reversing forklifts. That was going on this one. We could just then. I guess we'll add this because, well, we actually don't have this part, so maybe we don't need it. Shrugs. Just the network shit. Network configuration. Network configuration. Subnets, security groups. Okay. Baze TV, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. We don't actually need to receive any ports, so hopefully this is easy. He says with not much confidence. Where does this go? In the service? Yeah. Snare Chops, you're streaming again. Hello, hello. How are you doing? Good to see you. We bring bugs. Well, I got too many of those. How you doing? Welcome to the stream. Dragonfire and Drixevil. Welcome, welcome. How you doing? How was your stream? What were you doing? What were you up to? I am currently fighting through Terraform, and if you don't know me, my name is Anthony. I usually work on open source Python. I maintain a bunch of stuff you might have heard of, such as Precommit, Flake8, Dead Snakes, PyTests, PyFlakes, I upgraded 50 other things. Not an exaggeration. Oh my god, this is so funny. I found it. It was Dropbox. Fucking Dropbox. Snare Time says, doing alright, working on some procedural level generation. Ooh. Fun, fun. Natsubuns also brought bugs. So many boogs. Boogs everywhere. Thank you for bringing the boogs. Dropbox, of course it would be a fault. Yeah, right. Okay, so network configuration goes on the service. Network configuration. And it takes subnets. What the fuck is subnets? I guess we can look here. Public IP address to the ENI. Valid values are true or false, default false. That's fine, we don't need to change that then. Subnets, we need to make a subnet. I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure I had to do that. No, maybe not. Fuck! I thought we did this. No? Damn. Alright, we gotta learn the fucking subnet bullshit. There's no way I need all of this. Holy shit. I don't need a load balancer. So I don't need the rest of this. Oh, we need to put this in our service too. Don't care about load balancer shit. Okay, cool. We're ignoring all that. My fucking god. I don't need an ALB, right? Definitely don't need an ALB. Yep. Skip that part. Why do I need all of this shit? This is insane. Subnets is an ethereal object that changes in shape if observed. For you to know what type it is causes it to mutate to a new type differing from your expectations. Yeah, that sounds about right. Yeah, this is fun. Sure, fuck it. We'll just copy what they've got here. Not really a fan of that. kind of want to understand all the parts, but do I guess. I have an app on my phone called X Delete. Hey, there you go. Oh, convenient. They're also in US East 1. Don't really care about tags, so I don't think I need ingress ones, so we just need egress. Just get rid of those, and so then we will be able to attach our, what do they call them down here? They're subnets. Why do they only attach the private subnet? Unclear. And an entire sleeve says, "Ah, delicious terraform." Really not bad, I guess. Not terrible so far. Private subnet only to ECS if there's an ALB routing public traffic. I am not exposing ports to the internet, so I don't actually care about ingress. I'm running a container that's connecting to Discord, so I don't think I need ingress at all. Which is why I've only made an egress thing. But we'll find out. We'll certainly find out when we try and create this again. Oh, the plan's not even succeeding. Oh, it's because I got a little typo. I need to fill my water though, so I'm gonna do that real quick. I will be right back. Hello, we're back. Standard Robots here too. How you doing? Good to see you again. Let's see how this is going. Alright, plans exceeded, so fuck it. Time to run the apply again. Oh, what are you? Oh. Oh. It's Updog. Do warning, argument is deprecated. Fucking A. Use domain attribute instead. Oh, great. It's not 110 anymore? I saw your screenshot. It's 108 now. Pretty good. I probably should have looked at the plan. Wait, do I need an AWS EIP? Apparently because of the NAT gateway. Okay, this is real unclear. On line 58, VPC equals true. Line 58. Use domain instead. And if we look for domain, we don't see any examples for it. So it's just supposed to be domain equals VPC. The Speedy Live, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Welcome. How you doing? We are currently trying to move my chatbot to AWS. Most others are saying 94. Even 94 is a lot. Alright, we're just gonna skip this one. Alright, let's look at some auto update day while that's running. A lot of green, that's good. Zoom out far enough that I can just click merge. Oh, but it's gonna wiggle around, isn't it? It should just be a lot of one file changed with two successful. Should be a big fancy no op for most things. Auto merge on that one. Not Terraform also updated. Cool. I know this is a different one, but Thought it would be funny to also do that one. Okay, those should all be merged except for this one, which will merge eventually. New Terraform run. And these are gonna alert as they deploy to dev. Yeah, I wonder if instead of using Fargate, I mean, we would have to use the other. Tiny workloads. Yeah, that sounds about right. Large workflows that must be price optimized. All right. It's probably gonna start up and crash because we haven't done the actual secrets part of this yet. Rust stuff. Oh yeah, this was the thing that I wanted. What the fuck was this? Env prefix derive option. Oh yeah. I wanted this for pre-commit. 50-50. Unclear how this would help. Can I buy that? I just have to mark all these as red. Run confirmed. 2 applying. Who's left? NAT gateway. It succeeded. We should have. Okay. Apparently, AWS says no. There are no logs. Concern. One pending. Okay, I guess that explains that. One running. It should be crash looping though. Um. Hooray! A log group with failures. Yay! Okay, sick. All right, so that's the first part of this. Now we got to provision the secret. Cool. Have failure to deploy some here. The validation failed. It's rare. None of the code changed. And it succeeded, it just didn't get its status set. This is GitHub's fault. Okay, so crash looping. We need to set up secrets. I'm gonna delete OCI since we're not dealing that anymore. We need the secrets, which should be here. We've done the secrets before. Resource. ADS secrets manager. Secret. You see video bot. Name. You see video bot. And how do you set the contents? Manage a secret, use the secret version. Bot. And secret ID. Then secret string. Need to put the value in here, which there are 2 secrets. One of them is bot token. Like so. And then we need to do this thing down here. This is exactly what we want. Just gotta check what the environment variables are. Discord bot token, Discord bot config. Bot token. Value from yes, secrets manager. Secret. Arn. Colon. This, I think. So maybe this will work. Though there was like a weird colon under the end of this. That's the Arn. Arn ends with EF, and then does EF colon, and then this, and then 2 colons for some reason. Oh, this is the secret version in the end? Got it. Okay, thanks, will work. Give the Discord bot its secrets. God, I hope this works. At least we have logs, I guess, if it doesn't work. I wonder how much this is filling up with log. Oh my god. It's trying every minute? Seems? Hopefully this doesn't cost too much. Hooray! It succeeded! Oh wait, this is just that. Yeah, that's fine. Oh, there has to be a string. Duh. Of course. Yeah, GitHub, I think GitHub is struggling today because their little refresh thing isn't working, and I happen to know that they use that as a load shedding technique. They will turn off the auto updating of the UI. It started at 3 seconds ago. Yeah, it's gonna be crashing. I wonder if Terraform shows the secret in plain text. I hope not. I'm gonna take a little peek. Sensitive value. Okay. They have at least done the sensible thing there. Cool. Change, it'll recreate this, and we'll create 2 new things. Let's send it. Oh, we didn't configure it for spot, so this is gonna be expensive. We gotta figure out how to make it spot. Run confirmed, apply finished. Let's delete all these but the most recent couple. Still maybe the old one. Replicas 2? I didn't say you could do that. What are these columns? Task definition. This is, oh, revision 2. Okay. Revisioning, running. No tasks. Big red thing. I don't know whether I'm impatient or wrong. Deep Breath Street says, was wondering, are tasks like jobs? I don't know. Probably something like that. Delete this one. It's definitely not in there. One pending, 0 running. One failed. I don't know what that means. Okay. It says it should be getting these from the secret. Oh. That feels like a thing that we need. Oh, we need to add permissions? Task execution role, and reference it in your task definition. Manual add the following permissions and inline to the task execution role. Okay. You don't need KMS. What is SSM? I don't know what SSM is. So I'm just gonna add this. Fixed Jake says, wow, the title is so offensive to me. Well, if I know you're being sarcastic, but it'd be nice. It'd be nice if what the fuck am I trying to say? It would be nice if the capacity actually existed. Okay, where is the permission? Wait, where is my IAM role permissions? Oh, is it literally just this? That's the assume role policy. Yeah, we need to add policy. We want. Okay. Yes, secrets manager secret.acwiliobot.orn. I don't know why SSM is in there. I feel like I don't need that. I don't actually know what that is. Systems manager. Yeah, hopefully don't need that. Allow execution role to read secrets. If I had any pull, I would go yell at some people. Yeah. I feel ya. I feel ya. I'm gonna add branch protection just so that I can auto merge. Oh, right. Never mind. Pretty sure I've done this like 4 times now. I'm like, oh yeah, I'll add branch protection so I can auto merge. And then it's like, oh, you need to upgrade your account. And I'm like, never mind. I mentioned Discord, my team gets hit with capacity issues. Oh my god. That's insane. It's so unfortunate. Oh wait, weird. It's not making more logs here. So did it just give up? No tasks running. Hmm. Has reached a steady state. Press X'd out on that. Is this newest here? Yeah. Unable to pull secrets. Access denied. User is not able to perform get secrets. That is what we expect. Apply will not run. Oh, god damn it. I forgot to attach the policy. Can you tell I'm getting tired? Stated.ads.im policy document.ac video. JSON. This song is fire. Oh yeah, this is part of a compilation here. But the rest of the compilation gets muted right here, so we're just gonna switch to the next song. I forgot to commit. So how do you get scheduled on on Spot Fargate? Is Fargate the one with EC2 underneath? Probably is actually EC2 underneath, but it's not the one you manage. Fargate is kind of the serverless one. Oh, fuck off. Capacity providers. Let's see. Policy is not expected here. Oh. Okay, so this is how I'm supposed to do this. Coop CTL, hello, hello, how you doing? Welcome back. How are things? Long time no see, indeed, indeed. It's good to see you again. Although I haven't had to deal with Cube CTL in quite a while. Mr. Singh says, after all these months, it hit me now that ADC's Anthony writes code. What did you think it was? I'm sorry, I shouldn't. I shouldn't laugh. Speaking of things that I think are hilarious, I saved the funniest part of tomorrow's video. Oh, I need to upload it. Not tomorrow's video, Wednesday's video. I saved the funniest part for right at the beginning. So it is I'm not gonna spoil it, but Tina and I laughed for like several minutes. What do you mean it's not defined? So there's a very funny thing about the changes in Python Python 3.12. Am I dumb? Oh, this has to be data dot duh. Because resources are in a separate namespace. CubeCTL says, I kinda am a Rust nut now and I own programmer socks. I'm getting pipeline. Yes. The the stereotypes are upon you. What classifies a pair of socks as programming socks? That's a good point. I don't actually know the answer to that. I don't know that this is actually gonna redeploy this properly. So I'm not here. What? We'll see. QCGL says pastel color striped thigh highs are programmer socks. Yeah. I guess Wolford's not aware of the stereotype. I don't even know if it's considered a stereotype. It's probably just true. Huh. Yeah, so this is gonna adjust the roll, but it's not gonna bump the service probably. It's more of a meme Google Rust starter pack. Yeah. Yeah. Finished. Okay, so how do I make it restart? How do I make it try again? Refresh the task details. What if I click stop? Any task started by service should be stopped by updating the service. Fuck it, what could go wrong? Wait, why does it say 1 of 1 running? Is it working? Started 49 seconds ago. What the fuck? It might be working! Oh, it fucking works! Wow! It lives! Alright, let's put it on spot and call it a day. So capacity providers equals Fargate spot. That's highlighted weird. This has to be double quotes, probably. The right name. Do 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 do. CTL says why the whole Terraform config? Because when I delete this later, when I change it or delete it later, it's nicer to have it automated. And I'm learning, so I don't know. That part's fun too. That part is fun too. Argument capacity providers is not expected here. Damn, what is it called? Apparently it's called something else. Apparently it's not there. Blah blah blah. Oh. This is the thing. You know. And we will just say only Fargate spot. Really, that's the thing, right? Really, it won't be like you must also have the default one. Build an event-driven architecture for a simple CC server. I get where you're coming from. Yeah. I mean, it's nice to not have to think about executing this. Although I don't think it'll deploy automatically. I do need to solve that still. But that'll be a task for another day. Haha. I could probably do it with OIDC. Probably do it with OIDC. Should be pretty. Did not work on a blank AWS account? It would work on a blank AWS account. Yeah, there's nothing special about this. You would need credentials, but it's gonna cost me like $10 a month to run, which a little pricey for something this dumb, but don't know of a way to run it cheaper. In theory, with Terraform, you wouldn't have to touch a console gun after creating the account and grabbing the creds. Yep. Yeah, that is the idea. Bot is ready. Hooray. How much was it earlier? It was 0 because it was all free tier in Oracle. But there isn't a good constant executing. Like if there was Lambda but permanently on, that would be great. But there is not. So I would just run it there. But yeah. And it has a hard time out of 15 minutes. Cannot run continuously. Oh, that was in 2020. Oh, fucking A. I don't want to sign up for Medium. Cached. Oh. Oh. This might actually be nice. Okay, we might port the bot to this at some point. Because this would actually be free again and way easier to debug. Then it would switch to be a slash command, which is fine. Okay, well, maybe we'll look at that at some other point, but that seems way better than what we're doing right now. That'll be a future improvement. Cause yeah, I'd rather not spend $100 on year on this per year when I could spend 0. Oh. Yeah. It looks like there's a million tutorials for this too, so we'll do something there. Let's apply this, make sure it still works after application. And then I'm surprised this doesn't require a recreation for the other stuff. I kind of expect this to error. Or it'll magic behind the scenes. Oh, did it say it was deleting and recreating? One to add. Oh, yeah, I don't know how this is gonna work. See what it does. I finished. Oh, do I have to explicitly say that there's a default one? Huh. Think I how did I get to the tasks before? Started, created at 31. Yeah, okay. So stop here. Get a new instance, and in theory it'll run on spot. Pending. Running. Seconds ago. Launch type Fargate. Sounds right. But it doesn't tell me whether it's spot or not. I have no fucking idea. Folks, I'm detained everything? Yeah, well, I just did it manually. How you doing, Pylang? Hello, hello. Can you recommend Terraform Cloud? I am a big fan of Terraform Cloud. Terraform Cloud is really nice and free. Free for what I need it to do, so it's very good in my mind. Oh look! Capacity provider. Fargate spot. Okay. In theory that means it's working, which means this is a good place to stop. So I'm gonna wrap up here. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel at youtube.com/anthonywritescode. There will be a very exciting video about what's new in 3.12 coming out on Wednesday, so stay tuned for that. The first 5 minutes is hilarious. The video is 41 minutes long. I'm so sorry, but there's a lot to cover. I normally stream Monday evenings and Saturday at noon. I announce my streams on the Discord, which you are free to join. and come hang out with us. There's a beginner's channel if you want to ask programming questions, and then a bunch of other fun social channels as well. But thank you all for stopping by, and let's go find someone to raid.